So, welcome to a new episode of Mostly Engineering and another live video. So, welcome to this episode, and today we are going to tackle some lathe infrastructure. So, with no further ado, let's go to the lathe and see where the problem is. So, welcome to the lathe, or more specifically, the mess behind it. And yeah, I'm the person who needs a little bit of visual clutter in his life, but this is going too far because here we are at the point where I can't find stuff anymore, or can you spot the drill chuck key within 3 seconds? I highly doubt it. I certainly can't. And nothing is more annoying when you are in a really nice workflow and you have to break it because you need to find the tool you need next first. And the solution is, of course, a little bit more organization. The root of the problem is that nothing you see here has really a dedicated space. The dedicated space at the moment is behind the lathe, so in theory for quick access, but if you can't find it, this falls wayside very, very quickly. So, more organization. The first thing I'm going to do is put a little collet holder over here, because at the moment we have some collets in the Proxxon set, but this doesn't have all the sizes. So we have additional collets over here, and you always have to look in 2 spaces, and it's really hard to find the size you need right at the moment. So I'm planning on a little holder over here where all the collets sit ordered by size, and then another holder back here where the live center can sit, the drill chuck. Here's the key, by the way, where all the keys sit, and keep everything organized. Ideally, I would have all the tooling lined up here as well, but I don't have the space for it, so they have to still live behind the lathe. But if it's only the tooling and the indicators, I think I still can live with it very nicely. So let's go over to the CAD program, draw something up, and then print it. So, and here we have our collet holder came out really, really nicely. And this will mount like this. And as you can see, it fits nearly perfect. And the collets fit too, very nice. Let's see if we put multiple collets in it. Yeah, the spacing is also wide enough that we can grab each collet very comfortable. Very nice. And here we have our second part. In the front we have space for some additional magnets, and the drill chuck fits. Drill chuck key really falls into place as well. And yeah, that's really nice. So let's give it some color and then mount everything. So, and we are finished, and I think you would agree that this looks a lot better now. On one glance, we can see which collet is in the machine, and if you are looking for some specific collet, it's easy to find, easy to grab within seconds. Also, the rest of our tools are right at our fingertip, and I think this will speed up my workflow by quite a bit. So I'm very happy with the result. The eagle-eyed viewer among you would have probably noticed that this is not the version I am mounted in the movie, but uh, just after I mounted, I figured, yeah, it would be really nice to also have my most frequently used Allen keys here as well. And it would be nice to move these two tools slightly out of the way because actually I don't need them that often. And yeah, with this, it's already time to end the show. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, comments, as always, let them down below and I'll try to answer them as quickly and correctly as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And all that's left to say now is thanks for watching and see you at the next time. Bye bye.